When it comes to goal setting, here's your assignments. For your short-term goals, make a list. This is crazy, but let's do it. Make a list of minimum 100 short-term goals. Remember how generic these short-term goals can be, right? Whatever it is, but write down minimum 100 short-term goals that you will accomplish. On your long-term goal list, write down minimum 50 goals that have to be done, non-negotiable, non-debatable in the long term. Long term you choose, whether that means quarterly, weekly, monthly, whatever that is, longer goals though. Short-term goals, you 100 of them. Long-term goals, 50 of them. And here's the part that's going to take a little time. Deadlines. Write deadlines on everything you're going to do. The long-term goals will obviously have the deadlines more than the short-term, because a lot of the short-term goals, I assume and I believe, will just be things you have to do every single day, things that need to be done. I will go to the gym 4 times a week. I will go to the gym 5 times a week. Whatever your goal is, that could be considered a short-term goal because it's not done on a daily basis, or at least every other day. Right? So break them down: long-term, short-term. 100 goals, 50 goals, deadlines and timelines on every single one of them. Spend some time on this. Spend a good couple hours on this and really look at the things on how you are going to improve yourself. Look at how you are going to become the best you. And you look at all these long-term, short-term goals with your time management on the side, you're like, wow, I never would have thought I could have fit so much stuff in one single day. I never thought I could do so much in one single day. But when you really break everything out and realize that a lot of things that we spend hours doing literally only take 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, it's amazing how much we can accomplish as humans.